Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, something completely different, right? Growing up as a kid, we had French toast, right? One thing I don't like are eggs. So whenever we had French toast, the egg would always have like this slime on the French toast as it cooked, and I just didn't want to eat it because I just don't like eggs. But I will eat eggs inside of things like cakes, cookies, and other mixes like that. And I love deviled eggs. Crazy, I know. So I thought, well, how else can I do French toast, but kind of without the egg mixture? Yeah, you get egg substitute. But I thought, what about mayonnaise? So I thought, yeah, mayonnaise ought to work because it has egg in it, oil, all those kind of things you need to make French toast. So anyways, I have down here is about a quarter cup of mayonnaise. And to make this up like a French toast batter, so to speak, I'm gonna put in a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and then 1 teaspoon of some pure vanilla extract, just like that. And then go ahead and whisk this together to make our French toast, batter mix, just like so. So once that's nicely mixed together, do a little bit more stirring there, clean that off. Then you take your bread. You can have white bread. This is a wheat bread, and just take a spatula, or in this case, it's just a butter knife. And I'm just gonna put this mixture on the bread, just like if I'm making a sandwich, right? Just like so. It can be a little bit heavy, and that's okay. I wanna hit both sides. I'm gonna be careful here, flip it over. Hit the other side, just like so. And then get ready to put this on my skillet. All right, so here's my pan, it's warming up. I'm gonna go ahead and put that piece of bread on and get it brown on one side and do the other side. In the meantime, I'll get another piece of bread on here and get ready to cook it too. All right, I put the other piece of bread in here. Another way to do this is, of course, go ahead and put the mixture on the bread on the second side while it's in the pan. Makes it a little bit easier, a little less messy, right? So I'm just gonna do it just like that. Touch up right here, perfect. Let these cook until it's brown on one side, and then I'll get ready to flip them. Okay, it's been a few minutes on medium-high heat here. I can hear it starting to sizzle under there, so let's take a flip over. Oh, look at that, that's beautiful. Oh, these mayonnaise French toast. This is gonna be delicious, I can't wait. I hope you like mayonnaise. This is a neat way to do it without, that egg, you'd see that slimy egg stuff on there, and I just didn't like that. So this looks good. So give it a few more minutes here, brown on this side, and then I'll get ready to plate it up. All right, so it's been a few more minutes on this French toast. Other side, oh, that looks nice too. So let's take them off the skillet, place them up on my plate here. You can put whatever you want on here. You can put fruit on. I like some syrup on mine. Some powdered sugar tastes good. You can even go a little extra step further. Put a little butter, soft butter on there. I like that. Again, along with some syrup, just like so. Just do that. And well, one more thing before we go is I gotta take a bite, right? So I'm gonna break this apart here. It's not too hot. Give it a try. I'm gonna get a little syrup on that. Oh yeah. Just like French toast, just what you'd expect. It's crispy, it's crunchy. I don't taste like the mayonnaise to it. It just tastes like French toast. The cinnamon helps, the vanilla. I'd highly recommend it if you're not a big egg fan, but to try something different. And this is easy to do too, real quick. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get to the recipe at citygrilling.com.